Hey fam, you've probably heard about the importance of oracles for expanding the scope of smart contracts applications, as oracles enable them to interact with the real world, making decentralized applications more valuable and versatile. Today, we'd like to invite you to become a community member of one of the fastest growing oracles. And should you decide to walk this road till the end, who knows, maybe you will not only qualify for the airdrop, but become a part of their team. Redstone is a decentralized Oracle platform designed to securely deliver data feeds to various DeFi protocols and applications. It is trusted by over 100 clients and available on more than 50 chains. Redstone has recently locked $15 million from Arrington Capital, Spartan Group, and others. We are already aware that oracles could be generous in terms of airdrops. Previously, Byte and Celestia have both confirmed this to be true when they have surprised their users with unexpected airdrops. Redstone Expedition Season 1 has already been finished, so we're joining their incentivized Season 2 and start acquiring RSGs. Redstone Gems. Some of the activities you do will let you receive RSGs passively on a monthly basis. There are so many things you can do within their ecosystem, and we'll try to pick the most important things that you could do right now to start earning RSGs. Needless to say that joining any project's incentivized programs as early as possible is an essential step on the way to positioning yourself closer to the potential airdrop. So make sure that you're subscribed to Atom's Research channel to watch all of the videos as soon as they're released. Here we go! As mentioned before, we are hopping into Season 2 of Redstone's Expedition, and one of the easiest way to start earning RSGs is complete the warm-up quest in Galaxy. The trickiest part of the quest is providing one of the verification methods, so feel free to choose any that is available to you. If that's not the case, mint the Galaxy Passport, as this procedure should be the swiftest and cost around $5 to complete. Other than that, you should easily complete the other tasks connected with different socials. When you're done, make sure to claim your reward. This is just the warm-up quest, so deadline to complete is 14th of July. And we anticipate another quest to be released anytime soon after that date. Now, we'll talk about the Redstone's Discord and Zilli quests, as they are directly interconnected with one another. The first thing you want to do is to join Redstone's Discord channel and visit the Warped thread. Then use Link Wallet and join session to commence. Once completed, you will already get 15,000 RSGs. Once you've joined Season 2, every single message you post in the Discord will award you with RSGs. To check the amount of RSGs and other stats, use the command /count in the Warped thread. And now to the main part, Redstone Miners Ambassador Program connected with Zilli quests. Basically, Redstone offers you to become an active member of their Discord and other social community. Each block of Zilli quests will let you obtain a different role, which will reward you with a different amount of RSGs, either one-time or recurring. Here's where things get interesting, because we could get a Vein Master's role, which we really recommend you to get within a month and a half. The role would let you receive 100,000 RSGs passively on a monthly basis, and it seems that you will only need to spend a short period of time daily, for example, to stay active on Discord and their X. By all means, you should get yourself familiar with the project to have a possibility to contribute on a substantial level, but this approach is zero cost, so you might as well make it one of your priority daily activities. And as mentioned in the beginning, if you reach the top level called Mine King, Redstone might offer you a paid position in their team. We'll be excited to find out if you will manage to pull this off. Find the link with the ambassador levels requirements in the description. Very well, let's briefly discuss the projects that are partnered with Redstone to perform some activities there and trigger different smart contracts within Redstone ecosystem. By following the link in the description, you'll find a list of projects that are cooperating with Redstone. Many of them should be familiar to you already. Feel free to choose any project that catches your eye and interact with them a little bit. This will ensure that you broaden the scope of activities that you've covered for Redstone. There are too many projects to talk about, so it's up to you to decide which ones you'd like to try out, but we recommend to interact with at least 3 of them. So you may check Redstone's Discord or X accounts to see all of their freshly established partner collaborations. And that's all we wanted to share with you today. It really looks like that Redstone might be getting more incentivized activities announced in the upcoming months, and when that happens, you should already have a big chunk of those RSGs in your possession. Click the subscribe button to stay tuned for more updates and new video guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.